The number one difference between runners with or without knee injuries is how strong they get through this exact range of motion. So as you follow the program, make sure to send in a video of your form from around this angle using the camera icon on the app. You can regress this exercise by using assistance, not just for balance, but for taking some of your body weight off of your knee to make it easier. And you can start doing this from anywhere in the world by using something like a staircase, making this accessible for any runner to start improving their knees. First, set up with around 6 inches of elevation. From there, all I'm thinking to do is lift the heel first, tap the opposite heel to the floor, then push back up with my foot and knee. And the exact goal that we're working towards by the end of the Targets program is to be able to do 8 reps with 50% of your body weight loaded and full control through the range of motion. I first learned these from a trainer named Carl Peterson, who used them on a Canadian downhill ski team, taking them from being riddled with knee pain to being able to win gold in the Olympics without it. And this works just as good, if not even better, for runners because we're training your knee, ankle, and foot in the same range of motion as running. Because when you run, ideally you're landing with your heel off the ground, then pushing out of that position. Then if you look at these Peterson step-ups, it's that same exact position, just with a little more control and intent. So back when I couldn't run without knee pain, I had to do these with assisted reps, because if I tried with my body weight and no extra weights at all, I would still get that knee pain. But it's now proven that any active runner can take the time to build up to this level without your knees hurting at all, just like we did. Because remember that we have our route starting in the Unlock program with 8 weeks, building up our knee bend pulses in sets of 50 reps, just trying to get blood flow and recovery to the knee first, while opening up the tight muscles around your knee with the couch stretch progression. Then we're spending our next 8 weeks in the rebuild program with a 2-step approach of Poliquin step-ups and hack squats to prepare our knees and feet even further, so that by the time we get to Targets, it's a much smoother and safer progression to being able to start loading our Peterson step-ups and work towards that goal. So while I do know that everyone is starting at their own level with their own injury history, I also know for a fact that with this route, every runner has an equal opportunity to start rebuilding healthy knees.